Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to hide active now on Facebook. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Messenger app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your Messenger app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and navigate to privacy and safety. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and look for active status. Just like so. What you need to do right here is to simply turn off this button. Then you can change. Then you can set a costume right here. You can decide to, until you change it, you can decide to be inactive for 1 hour or 8 hours or this time, or set the costume time that you're going to be available. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on pause until I change it. Click on that. Then everything is going to turn off, just like what you see right here. So basically, this is how to hide your active now on Facebook without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.